Today I am going to be showing you how to find files and folders faster on your computer. This is specifically for Windows. Doesn't matter if you're on Windows 11 or Windows 10 or Windows 7. This is something that I struggled with for a very long time, but then I found a way around it, and I just want to share it with you guys real quick. So the first option you have, or the first option you can actually use, is to pin the folder to this quick access section. So to do that, let me give you an example. So you go to a local disk is like really huge. It's a separate hard drive that I have, and I have so many things, so many movies and so many other things in the folder. So sometimes it's super difficult to find a file. So what I do is I just go to the folder that I would like to find easily when I need it, and right click it and just click on pin to quick access and right click again. So if you see here, if you check now, you see it's here. All right. So you can also pin it to start as well, but that's not compulsory. It's not necessary. What I usually do is just pin it to this place. So whenever I need it, I just open I open this PC and it's here just waiting for me. So if I go to PNG now, I can find all my PNG files. So that's one option that you can actually use, and it's very, very effective. You can pin as many folders as possible here so that you can easily access the folders whenever you need them. So that's one really good option in my opinion. If you're the type of person that likes to create memes from screenshot and stuff, maybe memes of your coworkers and stuff like that, you could just do this, right click and just pin it to quick access. So it gets added here. See, screenshots. When I click on screenshots, you're just going to see a bunch of screenshots that I already um, that I already created pretty much. You can also pin your zip files and a bunch of other files to quick access so that you can easily access that file or the folder whenever you need it. So that's one option. The other option would be for you to go to Windows Store and get this application. It's called Global Search. So it has a way of using SQL to basically find files on your computer. You can use it to scan an entire folder and it will pull up words in documents, in files you've created to help you basically find, that document or folder. So go ahead and get this. It's on Windows Store. And once you've downloaded it, this is what it looks like. This. So if you'd like to scan a particular drive, this is my drive D. Double click here and I selected drive D. If you know your database and SQL, you can also use database scan to basically scan everything. Oh God, I'm talking too fast. But yeah, you can use the SQL option, or you could just find words that you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for a cosplay file that you named cosplay, or a cosplay document, or spreadsheet that you created that has the word cosplay in it, you could just go ahead, click on cosplay, select the drive you want to search and just search. Then it starts scanning everything to find the word cosplay. Then it will pull up all the data of files that have the word cosplay in them. It scans videos as well. If you look here, it's also scanning videos as well. At the end of the day, it's going to pull up all the results so you can find the files. So these are ways to find files and folders faster on your computer. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video if you like it and share with friends. I'm also going to be making more useful videos like this.